I am editing videos for more than 3 years, and I have learned some stuff which helped me to deliver final products to my clients way faster than before. So in today's video, I will give you 5 easy tips which will help you to work faster. First and most important tip is keyboard shortcuts. If you go to Premiere Pro settings, you will see the keyboard shortcuts button. You will click on this and you will see that big window which has some kind of keyboard diagram opened up, and this is your keyboard shortcuts tab. Basically, keyboard shortcuts help you to do stuff quicker, and that is making your workflow way faster. Usually you assign keyboard shortcut to a function which you use the most often in your editing process. For example, I have nested the section on my Command G key. So if I select this clip and click Command G, it will nest my sequence. Simple as that. And when I'm chopping my footage like a crazy, I only use 2 buttons. I have Add Edit on my W key, which is like cutting the footage, and on the E key I have Ripple Delay. If I don't want to ripple delay something, I will just click Shift and E key and that will give me the space. I have Shift plus W to cut all the layers at the same time, and that saves me so much time while editing. Next one is adjustment layer. Adjustment layer is one of the best things in the Premiere Pro, and I will tell you why. If you want to add an adjustment layer in your project, you have to come here, click on this new item, and then choose adjustment layer. Then click OK and drag the adjustment layer on top of your clip. So basically, adjustment layer is just a blank layer which doesn't do anything to your footage if you don't apply any effect to it. So for example, if I want to make this footage look black and white, I will just search black and white, drag that to adjustment layer, and that's it. And if later I found out that I don't need that layer anymore, I will just delete it or maybe hide it, and you will see that it doesn't work anymore. Why is adjustment layer that good? You'll say that you can just basically drag and drop that effect to your clip. If you want to make that black and white appear slowly, for example like this, now I'm talking and this clip gets black and white slowly. If you want to do that, you can come here, apply the black and white effect on adjustment layer, then come to opacity tab and just make the opacity 0, and come again and make the opacity 100, and that's it. You will see that clip gets black and white slowly. That's cool, isn't it? And the next case is if I have like some text layers and stuff like that, and then I want to zoom in, like slowly zoom in to this clip. For that, you will add an adjustment layer to your layers, and then you will add transform effect to your adjustment layer, and that's it. Now you can make this cool zoom in effect, and that will zoom everything that is under that adjustment layer. Sometimes I prefer do nesting, sometimes I prefer do adjustment layer. It's like personal preference, so you can decide which one you want to use. Next thing is smart cutout function. As I told you, I'm editing videos for more than 3 years, and all the time I was struggling with cutting out objects from my footage and separating them from the background. But recently, Adobe added smart cutout function to Premiere Pro, and you will not need After Effects and Rotobrush anymore to cut out your object from the background. So basically, you come here and click on this little icon. This is Object Mask tool, and just click on your object, basically like that, and that will make a mask on your subject. Then come and click on this play icon, and it will start tracking your mask automatically, so you don't have to do anything. Now all you have to do is come here, click and hold on this object mask, scroll down and move it into the opacity tab, and that's it. This plugin is my favorite thing to use in Premiere Pro. It's absolutely free and it makes my workflow way faster. So this plugin is called Copy Pasta, and with this plugin you can copy images from browser and directly paste them into your project in Premiere Pro without manually downloading it. That's so cool. So for example, let's go here in the browser and search for like Lamborghini. Just open the first image that popped up, right click, copy, come here and just click on this paste icon, and boom, your image is now into your project. I will leave the download link in the description so you can download it. It's really cool plugin. And last thing is Workspaces. I am editing both horizontal long form videos and vertical short form videos for my clients. So that means that I have to switch between horizontal and vertical ones. If I had to do it like manually, like moving this here and doing this vertical stuff, that would take so much time during editing, and we don't want to waste our time. Wait, let me fix it. Now I broke it. I have made the preset for my horizontal and vertical editing workspaces. As you see, this is my horizontal workspace. I have copy pasta here, my Lumetri properties and FX tab here, and my project, FX control, Premiere Composer, Epidemic Sounds, and kind of tabs here, my timeline down here, and my tools here on the left hand side. When I have to edit my vertical videos, I just come here, click this window icon, I just come here and choose vertical, and as you see, I can see my vertical footage way clearly than I was seeing it before on my horizontal tab. This helps me to add effects without any struggle and to see things clearly. As you see, I still have big space for my timeline, and I still have all the tabs I need to edit really good. This thing will help you if you're editing both horizontal and vertical videos at the same time. No, not same time, for the same client. Or it could be different client, but yeah, you get an idea. This was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned something new for your editing career. And if you know any other tips and tricks and I haven't mentioned it in this video, please tell me down in the comments and I will make another video about it. Also, if there is anything that you want to learn from me in terms of editing or filmmaking, comment down below that as well. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.